Hello everyone, I'm back in Benidorm and I'm staying in the Estrella de Mar ApartHotel, and I have to say, this is looking promising. I've just in the room, I haven't really looked, but let's see how good it is. I should say this is an accessible room, so there's quite a lot of space in it. It's on a ground floor, so when you come in, if you're late getting here, the reception will send you a wee message on WhatsApp giving you the code to get in and things, and they were very helpful. I was running late, so big thanks to them. So yes, getting in was no problem. It was quite easy, and it's located in the Old Town. So if you want to stay in Old Town, this is a good area to be in. Got a decent sized bed, very simple design. Now, if you look, you've got you've got shutters there, so that's quite good. So you do get your privacy. Get your towels laid out. Nice quilt. Oh, that's a nice soft bed. That bed is really soft. I just sunk into it. I'm curious how I'm going to sleep in this, because I've very rarely had a very soft bed like that, so we'll see. Night tables, decent sized TV, so I like that. Got a table and chairs, spare blankets and some coat hangers. Down here's a safe. We've got a sink. It's a fairly basic apartment hotel. Some basic stuff. We've got here. There's pots and pans, but I'm curious. There must be something. What is this? Oh, there must have been a cooker here as well. Or maybe there must be something. I'll check in a wee second. Must be something down here for cooking. No, it's a fridge. Oh, I've got a hot plate and a toaster. Aye, I thought that was a bit strange. So I've got tea and coffee machines. So aye, a kettle and coffee machine. I was surprised when I walked in and I just saw the sink there. I thought it was a bit odd that they just get that, but no, that's quite cool. They've got a hot plate. I didn't know they had that. So so that was the room. So let's see what the shower room's like. I have to say, this is a fairly decent size. In fact, it's actually rather big for ideal for Jacqueline. I like this. I like how they get the mirror tilted. I think that would kind of help Jacqueline. Somebody smaller. That's a good wee design feature there. I'll need to ask Jacqueline what she thinks. We've got a hairdryer here. I'm going to plug in and test it. Right. Let's see. Now, Jacqueline hates hairdryers where you've got to hold the button in. Oh, she's locked it. 10 out of 10 to the management, because Jacqueline does struggle with that. So aye, that's great that she could just need to press it on and it's fine. So let's see. So bath gel, shower gel, detachable shower head. One thing that's sticking out is Jacqueline would never be able to reach that, so I'm going to need to bring that down. But if I wasn't here, she would struggle with that. So they've got grab rails either side. You get mop and bucket and stuff. Well folks, that was the Estrella de Mar ApartHotel in Benidorm. I have to say, I'm really impressed. It's ideal for Jacqueline's needs, and it's a nice wee room. It's not the most stylish, but it doesn't need to be. And it's in the Old Town, so if you want to stay in the Old Town, it's really good location. And yeah, I have to say, I do like this one, and I'm sure Jacqueline will like it. Anyway, I'm doing a series of Benidorm hotel videos, and if you'd like to see that, I do a different video every week. Recently I just completed a series of Edinburgh hotels, luxury and budget. So there's a whole series there. So if you get any suggestions, any hotels you'd like me to check out, please leave a wee note in the comments, and I'll leave a wee note and let you know how much this cost, and let me know. Do you think how good is it? Is it worth it? Let me know. What do you think for the price I paid? Aye, I think it's worth it. Aye. So let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Take care and bye bye.